Hi guys, I'm Daiwik. Today I am gonna show you how plants drink water. First, we need celery sticks. Make sure the celery sticks have leaves. Next, we need 3 glasses of water. And then we need 3 food colors. And finally, we need spoon. Now, let's drop 10 or 15 drops of food color in each glasses of water. First, I'll put 15 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. After we are done with food coloring, we need to put this celery stick right here. Like that. And this celery stick all around, put it right here. Yeah. Now, wait for 2 days. After 2 days, the cell stalks looks a little bit different. With this celery stalk, this one is so red, and this one so purple. I think it's purple. Now, this is red colors. These, little bit blue colored in this one and this one. Oh yes, this is blue too. And where is this? Oh yeah, this is red. And let's go to another one. This, whoa, got a lot of blue in the stalk. Whoa. Like everything in the tops of the leaves are blue. Every leaf. Now put the celery stalks to the plate to see it more carefully. Let's do it. And let's do it. Oh, whoa! Now, let's open the celery stalks and find out how the celery stalk drink the water. Find out. Now I'm done cutting the celery stalk a little bit. Now you want to see it? Look. Observe carefully. Do you see the colorful strings? That's how the stem gives the leaves water. Now I will do this. You see again? Now it's red because the celery stalk drank the red food color drink water. Now the last one. This one. You need to very carefully observe because this one is a little bit hiding. Look. You see it? I saw it. Now, I will cut a little bit more. A little bit more. Look at this. That is the stem tubes. And I need to cut this. And this. There. Ta-da! It's orange because we put it in the orange glass. Now, let's see right here. Whoa! It's like blue. Now, the stem tubes will pick up water and go to the leaves and give the leaves the water. I showed you how the leaves get water from the stem. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, ring a bell. See you next time. Bye!